Hi, today I'm going to do a tutorial on how to use Emoji Wallpaper. First, you need to add it to your iPad. So we'll go to the app portal and give it a second to get everything loaded here. Here is Emoji Wallpaper. So we're going to touch that, give it a second. Sometimes it takes a little bit. We have to have patience. So over here in the top right, we have the yellow install button. This tells you a little bit about Emoji Wallpaper, that you can do a lot of different things with it, and you can save your wallpaper to your photo gallery. There's a random button where you can get inspirations. You can do all different kinds of things. So you would touch that yellow install button, and I already have mine installed. It takes a couple of minutes to download. Mine actually was created on another page, so I had to swipe this page over and then drag this emoji wallpaper over here to this side so I wouldn't have two pages. So let's open Emoji Wallpaper. Ta-da! So here's an example they give you. So let's look up here at the top. Image. Image means the background. You can put an image in as the background if you want to. Color. You can change the color of the background. If you don't want an image and you just want to do a solid color, you can do that. Up here at the top, you have your emojis. So to add emojis, you can touch up here at the top, or the word edit. Remember, we've used that word a lot, haven't we? You can touch the word edit and it brings up your keyboard. Over here where all your emojis are, your little smiley face icon, right? So you can do pick whatever colors that you want to for your smiley face icon. So let's try one. So I'm going to bring this back down and I'm going to touch the clear button. So that got rid of my emojis, but say I just want to do a plain color background. So I'm just going to pick a color. Here's some nice minty green. All right, so now I can either touch up here the toolbar, or I can touch edit. Either one brings up your toolbar, your keyboard, excuse me. We'll go to our little smiley face right here, and that will bring up all your emojis. So say I want to do some, let's see, I like apples and butterflies and hearts. Let's stick a unicorn in there. Now that's kind of cool. Well, what is this plus and minus for? Well, let's see. If I keep hitting the plus, well, that keeps making them larger. If I hit the minus, it makes them smaller. So that's kind of interesting. Yes, there is an ad at the bottom, so we're just going to ignore that because it is a free app. Now, let's say I want to put a word in here. Let's put the word joy. Okay? Now, if I like that, that's great. So you can actually put in words if you want to, in with your emojis, any of the emojis that you have here. Remember, the plus and minus makes things larger or smaller. I kind of like that. I like the diagonals. Very exciting, isn't it? Now, when you are done, then you go over here to the top right-hand corner where it says Save. I'm going to touch the word Save. And it says, thank you for using making your first wallpaper. You say, okie dokie. Now, yes, it runs an ad. So if I go up here to my photos, here is my emoji wallpaper. Isn't that cool? So you can make whatever kind of emoji wallpaper you want to. And if you want to send it to somebody, you can use that little app and send that to a friend. Or you can use it for other things. So that is Emoji Wallpaper. I hope you have a fun time experimenting and creating different patterns, because that's basically what we're doing, isn't it? We create the pattern that you see at the top toolbar, and then it repeats it over and over again. The star icon will take you to the App Store where you see Emoji Wallpaper. It is a free app. Okay? So there you go. I hope you have a wonderful time playing with Emoji Wallpaper.